Alright, let's see if we can't get AK sprayed off before we get on. One crate's already been taken.
Oh shit, it has. This is kind of sketchy.
We got a full send it, bud.
You still want to do it? Alright.
There's another crate taken. Flies to the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're most likely gonna get lasered, but that's just what happens when
You see anybody yet?
Check the boat, see if they're full of shit.
Yeah, boat's still there, boat's still there.
I'm going in hot, ready, I'm about to cut it.
Yeah, I see him coming to the back. Oh, no.
We're going in, brother, we wanted this! Oh, I missed it! I just broke my legs. I'm jumping to heal.
One dead.
I'm down here healing, I'm healing, I'm hiding.
One dead, I got AK.
I'm hiding healing. I'm down here in the crate area. There's one on me.
I might just...
Dead, one dead. I gotta heal.
Where are you at?
On the first floor where the first crate is underground. Oh my god, bro.
We gotta make it out, This last guy's gotta be on the back, right? Is there one more? Or we don't know?
I don't know. I only saw two when we were pulling in. I have this full kit.
Alright, is there any way we can go, you can make it to the back? How close are you making it?
Keep watching me. I'm gonna check boat.
Yeah. We need to just hop in and dip.
Oh, it's loaded. We need to go.
Let's go. Get in, drive. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. If you had the fucking clip from me dropping off the heli right there,